Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video I have something really awesome to do with you all, and it is a pot with me. So this pot with me, I am going to be potting my Euphorbia Lactea white ghost and also my string of hearts, my Woody, right? So I'm going to be potting these. This is a cutting that let me show you. So for the white ghost, they're just cuttings, they're unrooted. Let me put this down. So for the Euphorbias, they're just cut and they've calloused over, and be careful because they create this white sap that is poisonous, not good for human and animal interactions, consumption, whatever you want. Plus the spikes, poisonous, not good. Just be careful with these. So I'm going to pot these. I'm also going to be potting my string of hearts. So if you're interested in watching this pot with me, featuring again my Euphorbia white lactea, so if you're interested in watching this pot with me featuring my Euphorbia Lactea white ghost and my string of hearts, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so welcome back, and pretty much right now, alright, so number one thing is don't allow your pets to get near your mosquito bites, because I have that in the soil. I've already just pre-poured my soil for my plants, and I have a mixture of soil, perlite, a tiny bit of orchid bark, some sand, and mosquito bites, because I've come to realize that the seller sent me a plant that has fly gnats, and that's no bueno at all. So I'm gonna actually move this away and not let my cat get anywhere near it, because this is very dangerous. Excuse me. For your pets, it's actually hazardous. So I'm not gonna do this with her today, because I also have a little bit of mosquito bites inside of here too, so I'm just gonna really be serious about keeping that away from her. In the meanwhile, she's just chilling, so I'm not gonna like nag her. But I have two size little shallow pots. I love, again, these little shallow terracotta pots. So what I do is I age them, which I've done a video about that, and I'll try to link it somewhere here. So I age my terracotta pots to get this already rustic, authentic aged look. So I have this more larger, deeper pot, which I'm gonna use for the Euphorbias, and then I have this more shallower pot, which I'm going to use for the string of hearts. So I'm gonna start off with mixing my soil and moving my cat first. Move. Spoon, I poked myself, that I use for this, so I'm just gonna use it to mix my soil. So I'm gonna start off with my Euphorbia. No, no, no. Lola, no. No. I'm not, excuse me. No. Oh, stop. Oh, wait. Stop. When your cat is not having it, it's not my fault, baby. I'm just trying to keep you protected. So I have these construction mesh things that I like to use for my plants, so I'm just gonna cut this because I don't always have laundry sheets just laying around. So I line the bottom of my pot with it, and that helps with just when soil's like falling out. So I do that. Just gonna layer no, you see, laying down does not stop me from telling you can't do. Guys, no. Right on this. She lays right on this. She's so sweet. She's like, I'm not bothering you. I'm just laying down. Look, I'm not even inspecting. I just decided to lay down. Hey, stop. Trying to... She's like annoyed. She's like trying to bite me. No, ma'am. It's not working out today for you. So, this is the soil. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick this plant. This is the first ghost one. This is nice, a nice like cream. Lola, no. No. This is a nice creamy one. So this one I'm just gonna stick right here, like 2 nodes down, like so it can root itself pretty good. Just give it a little tap. I'm gonna wash my hands immediately after, guys. The second one is this like green Milky Way combination. So I'm gonna stick that right next to it also. I want a couple spikes, you know, to be hidden to just ensure that this plant roots and that it's sturdy. I also did manage to find another one of these euphorbias. This is not, no, a Lactea, but I'm just gonna stick it in here too. So. Alright, so this is plant number 1, my Euphorbia Lactea. I'm going to water this a little bit later, so I'm going to set this aside. Okay, so grabbed another piece of tape. No, 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 no. My cat does not listen to me. I'm gonna take out some of this sand because I realized this plant, the seller sent it to me with, I'm gonna spray you. Nope. Move. I'm gonna spray you. No. But yeah, so I realized the seller sent me this plant with fly gnats, so just gonna do my best to remove as much of this infested soil as I can. And I've also let this plant out, dry out a whole lot since receiving it, because I received it and it was like drenched in soil. So just gonna spread this plant out a little bit. So dainty and cute. This is so I have some new growth trying to come through. See the green? These are so adorable, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of me potting my new Euphorbia Lactea white ghost, and also a vintage 2014 Euphorbia Lactea, and my brand new Ceropegii Woody, my string of hearts. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, join this little kooky family because we're pretty awesome here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.